Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm just going to do a flip cup on a 10 by 10 canvas, and I'm going to be using colors left over from a previous video. Don't know if you can see them. Some reds and blues and a little bit of green. So let's just get started here. And I have added silicone into all of the colors except the white. And I think I'm going to pour some black around here to help the paint move. Not sure how this combination of colors is going to work out in a flip cup. Just hope for the best. Just putting the black on here to help the paint move a little bit. I'm not sure if I have enough in my cup, so let's see what happens. Drag it around a little bit. Seems like it's a little bit thick. It's been in the cup for a little while. Oh, the cup looks pretty. Psychedelic man. Let that sit there for a little while. See what cells develop. Still not sure if I have enough paint. I'm gonna put a little bit more black on here. It's nothing worse than trying to tilt paint when you don't have enough. Got some nice cells. Okay, let's torch this and see what happens. I use a propane torch supplied to me by my roommate, who happens to be a pipe fitter by trade. Brought up a few more cells. Let's stretch this baby out a little bit. Use my hand as an edge catcher. So far, so good. There we go. Got some nice big cells in there. Make sure all my sides are covered. Okay, let's give that another torch. Oh yeah, definitely have some more cells coming up. Cells inside of cells. Don't think I'm going to touch this anymore. So there you go. We have a flip cup with leftover paint. So, if you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I will put out a video every Monday for sure. So please tune in. I'll see you next time. Bye.